What's up everyone, it's Mine. Today I've got a couple of cases from Spigen for the Samsung S9 Plus. If you haven't watched the unboxing, I'll leave a link right below the like button as well as up there. In this channel I do a lot of reviews and detailed unboxings just like this one. If you're new here, consider subscribing by hitting that red button and hitting the bell right next to it. So these are the cases that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving a link for these cases right below the like button so you can take a look at them. Another great brand for the Samsung S9 is going to be the UAG brand. My buddy over at Zach Tech Reviews has done a couple of reviews on that. I'm going to be linking his S9 Plus case review in the description below, so make sure you check it out in case you're debating between the Spigen or the UAG brand. Personally, I love the Spigen brand. I've been using it for many years now. I'm using it with my iPhone X and I have used it with my previous cell phones as well. These are the three cases which I really liked. Alright, they have a couple of good options for the S9. I bought the S9 Plus version, so you can just take a look at the different color options they offer. So we'll do the S9 Plus. To open the box, you just pull on the tab up here. Alright, a really great thing that I love about Spigen is the fact that they give you a quick instructions guide on how to not only install the case, but how to properly remove it. And it's been drop tested, military grade. Really nice case. Inside you get the classic Spigen design. Cutouts for the camera as well as the other sensors, flash, as well as your power button, the volume, and the Bixby button. And there's cutouts for the ports as well. Alright, just following the instructions to install it. It's really simple. We're gonna put the left side in first, and then snap in the right side, bottom left, the bottom left, and then the bottom right. You can take a look. Here is it at the back. I've used these cases for many years now, so I can stand by this brand. Just for anybody who's wondering if I'm getting paid for this, I'm not getting paid for this. Spigen is not sponsoring this video. I have loved their cases for many years. I have bought all of my cases from Spigen. No issues with the company. They're really great with their products and excellent customer service. You can always email them if you have any questions about any of their not only cases. They also offer a line of glass protectors. They're all the Neo Hybrid cases. We're gonna open it by pulling this up. And out of the box, you get the nice case. It's in a decent plastic wrapping. It's not too fancy. I mean, it's a great price for what you're paying. Alright, so this is the shiny black case. Alright, and then we're gonna take a look at what other color options are available for the Galaxy S9 if you have it. Take this one off. Here's a couple of other options available for your S9. They're also available for the S9 Plus. I'm going to be leaving a link for both the Galaxy S9 as well as the S9 Plus right below the like button. And let me know what you think about these cases in the comments down below. Are you currently using a case for your S9 or planning on using one? So the overall quality of this case is really nice. This case is not slippery at all. So the buttons on this case are really hard. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this case. And make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any videos about the S9 Plus. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Goodbye.